name is Maddie and welcome back to Maddie Makes, a channel where I make stuff. And this week I am going to be making a mushroom hat. Yeah, the intent with this is to have fun. I've been seeing it a lot on TikTok and I think they're so cute and I love when people make them. So I wanted to just do my take on it.
Oh my god. You know, everybody's staring.
The ultimate goal is to turn into the mushroom and the mushroom ravioli from the Twilight scene. If my real fans are watching, they know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I did also get a haircut. I feel like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, I will talk to you later. Peace out. Bye. Hello. Coming in a little early, a little craft update. I just started. I made the headpiece. But from here, I'm gonna build out the brim out of cardboard and then start making those domed pieces off the side to make that mushroom shape. I'm having fun so far. This is a cool craft. I bought a glue gun for this. Personally, I am very excited. Catch up later. To create the pleats of the underside of the mushroom, I used a hot glue gun and some spare canvas, and I did burn my fingers very bad. So hot, you're hurting my feelings. Can't be on. I recycled an old sweater that was really itchy for the top fabric of the mushroom, and here I am just gluing on the edge. Bit of an update. It's almost done and I love her. She's so cute. It doesn't have like as big of a dome as I thought it would be, but I do feel like the green power-up mushroom. It is very much digging into my forehead, very much uncomfortable, but next, I cut the white spots out of some spare satin fabric I had, and then glued them onto the base of the hat. I laced the strings on with like a needle and thread and just sewed it through the edge. But yeah, I think it's so cute. See, I think I've gone backwards. I do. This is the front. Ding. Fun guy. Bye.
All right, one mushroom ravioli.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. So, are you sure there isn't anything I can get for you?
No, thank you.
Let me know.
You're really not gonna eat?
No, I'm on a special diet.
Probably shouldn't jump on my bed. I'm like 22.